on, guys? It's your boy Booney from Backwoods Customs, and we are working on a cop car today. It is a 2014 Impala Limited, which means it's the same as an 06 to 12 civilian Impala, and then 13 and 14 were just for fleet vehicles, police departments. We got some crusty taillights on her, and they got moisture in them, probably from leaking around where they put the strobe in. So we're gonna go ahead and get them replaced with the finest Chinesium I could find. First thing we gotta do is get this big guy out of the way. Now, here you can see there's a little thing there. That side is missing, but sometimes you can spin them out. If not, they just pop right out. And then this panel just pop right out into your trunk, and just leave that set there so you can put it back together. Next step is there is a little, like, to hold the cargo net deal, and you just back those right out. You won't need any tools for this really, except to get that guy off. It's a pretty nice setup they got going on here. That's what she looks like. You just want to pull your carpet away a little bit, and there will be two more of those. One here and one, there it is. It's all the way up on the top here. There we go. Now, bam, there's three of them. This one comes off when you take the carpet unit off, and then here's a little tab. You want to make sure you line it up when you put it back together. The new one is nice and fancy with foam isolators just to keep the noise down and stuff. Basically, all you got to do is lift up on this tab, and bam, we just snap that into place. And then again, you want to make sure your pin over here is lined up. Line up your three holes for your screws. Then you just want to screw your little, what are they called, finger nuts? I don't know. I'm not cranking on them yet because I kind of want to suck them in together. You don't want your taillight getting cockeyed in there, and then next thing you know, brand new taillight's cracked. Look at that. It's so easy your wife can do it. So don't make excuses. Otherwise your wife's gonna watch this video and go out there and show you how to do it. I guess I'm allowed to take back over. Again, with the clip, just pull up or pull out, and then pull up. And again, just as simple as and you can see as I turn it, it starts to pull it into the body. If you look up at the body line, that's why I like to do them a little bit at a time to make sure they go in even. You just want to put your third one on and get your carpeting back in place. All right, we got those tight. Then you just want to go ahead and slip your piece back in. This actually goes under the carpeting, but everything's a little messed up because of the way they had this car ripped apart. So we'll just give you the gist of her. So you get everything lined back up, and then bam. Again, it'll be much easier. Just make sure everything's lined up. But like, this is plywood in here, and it should be over top of this. I really should have had that out of there when I did it. It's all about the taillights. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, let me know if it helped you, and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.